Government Chief of Isikado and the President of the Western Region House of Chiefs, Nana Kwesi Ajiman, the fourth, Lower Discove Chief, Nana of New Amanfo, the Pro-Vice Chancellor and other Pro-Vice Chancellors of sister universities present, the Registrar, the Director of Finance, other management members present, Deans and Directors, members of Convocation, alumni, staff, retired staff, students, all students of Bisiago Fields School, all students of GSTS, the clergy, especially the Bishop of Anglican Church, the Bishop of the Macaros Church, GTA, other clergy, the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all other protocols we observe. It is an honor to have the opportunity to deliver my professorial inaugural lecture today in this great university. The Almighty God has been gracious to me for bringing me this far. It is indeed a great pleasure to see friends, family, colleagues who have come far and near to witness this lecture. I extend my sincere gratitude to the university for giving me this platform. For every academic reaching this pinnacle, it is a significant milestone in their career journey and serve as a way to showcase their academic expertise and contribution to their field. For the university, on the other hand, the event is a chance to recognize their achievement and an opportunity to engage with audience with a broad interest in their research, including founders and decision makers from government, academia, and industry. In addition, the expectation is that professors must usually give their inaugural lecture within 24 months of their appointment. However, the early delivery of my inaugural lecture is to lead the way as the Vice Chancellor so as to confidently chair other inaugural lectures going forward. I feel honored to be the inaugural lecturer this afternoon. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my career